Hey there! After my last blog post entitled Things I Couldn't Live Without, I thought it might be cool just to actually show you some of the way I have my desktop set up and some of the programs that I use every day. So what you're seeing right now is Apple Spaces. This is 4 different desktops that I have set up, and I can kind of cycle through them, and this is kind of how I keep my desktop set up during the day to kind of have everything I want always in front of me. I've got email right here that I can get to very quickly. I'll shift through these. Here is Tada list in a little box over here, and here is Planning Center Online over here on the right. You'll see all the different scheduled dates. Here is my calendar, and here is kind of my killing time. I've got Facebook pulled up on the left and my blog with all of my links pulled up here on the right. These are all, if you notice, they're black. These have been set up using Fluid, so they're standalone applications, which means I don't have to worry about Safari crashing or Firefox or Internet Explorer or anything like that. They actually are being run as individual standalone applications. You'll see down here on my toolbar I've got Tada List, Planning Center, Facebook, and my blog. Each of these are running as their own applications. So that's pretty convenient and really cool. I'll show you a little bit about the Tada list, which is right here. These are all of my individual lists, and you'll see you can have several, and it'll tell you how many different things you have left to do on the list. So I'll click on my list of things to do for this week. If I need to add another item, I just type it in real quick. Make video for blog showing what a giant dork I am. Hit enter, and that goes on the list, and then as soon as that's done you just check it off. When you check it off, it goes down here into the bottom area, kind of grayed out. So that's really nice. You can go back to your list really quickly, and you can go through and see just about whatever you want. I've got all kinds of different lists going that kind of keep me organized. It helps me stay better organized if I can see all the things that I have to do. Not just this week or next week, but over the next 6 months, over the next year. If those things are continually in front of me, it helps me kind of stay better organized. This software is free. It's tadalist.com, and it's really great. It's really helped me to become better organized. Over here on the right is the Planning Center. Planning Center Online. I think I'm going to do a separate post to kind of show you a lot of the good features of this, just because it's got more to do than I really can show you in this short video. But you'll see here are the upcoming worship schedules. Here's this coming Sunday, what we have going on. Here's the songs we have chosen. Over here on the left you'll see the people involved. Here's the people who are going to be playing in the band. Here's my tech crew. Here's the vocal team. You'll see the little green check marks indicate that they have confirmed that they're going to be here this week. And if there isn't a green check mark, it means they haven't confirmed yet. So I kind of know if those are people I may need to contact to make sure they're planning on being here this Sunday. I'll show you more about this later. I don't really need to show you anything about this other stuff. I did want to show you how easy it was to do a new standalone application using Fluid. So I'll pull up this Fluid window. Let me move this in Spaces here into this empty space. And let's just say I wanted to make a standalone application of dig.com. So you do dig.com. Dig is a kind of a social networking site that displays the most popular news and different kinds of things over the internet each day. It's kind of a good way to stay current on what's going on in the world and current events and stuff like that. So we'll name it Dig. I can choose an icon for it here. I'm just going to use the website icon, and all I do is hit create. Wait for it here, and it's going to create this application, and it'll show up in your apps folder in Leopard here, and you can launch it just like a standard thing. I'm going to click launch now, and here we go. We're now running an application called Dig, which is basically the website running as its own standalone application. You click up here and get yourself a toolbar. You can do a lot of different things with it. You can even this is one of the nicest features. You can actually do scroll view here, where you can, it takes a minute to load, you can scroll through and actually see in cover flow all of the different links. Every link on this page becomes a page down here in scroll view, in the cover flow view. So I can scroll this up and see what all these links that Dig has got going actually look like. So, you know, it takes it a minute to load, but once it gets there, it's pretty cool. So I can kind of go through here and see, alright, these are some of the top stories on the web each day, and if it looks like something I need to read or is interesting, I can click on it and read it. So anyway, that's kind of part of the power of using the program called Fluid, which is available at fluidapp.com. I really like it. Okay, I think that's just about enough for right now. I definitely think I've proven that I am a complete and giant nerd. At least not like there was really any doubt, but I guess I've just removed all the doubt. So anyway, hope this has been helpful to somebody. I'll make another one of these demonstrating some of the features of Planning Center Online for those of you who are interested in using that. It's really, really great. It has really pretty much saved my hide on being able to schedule all the different musicians and tech crew people and everything. If you're in a position where you're managing a large group of people in a church setting, you need to be using this software. It really will make things just a whole lot easier for you. It's about $30 a month, but it's absolutely worth every penny. I would pay $60 a month if that's what it costs. It's just worth it. So okay, that's all I got for now. See you guys later. Thanks.